and then I'm going to go to flow, do some settings, and our flow is going to sit on minus 17.5, which means there is a layer of 5 millimeters which is going to be above the foundation wall. I'm going to use the pick face, pick lines, and I'm going to use the exterior faces of our walls, and then we place like this, and it is going to actually become so easy this way. I'm going to do this. It's very simple, like that, and that is it. So I'm going to use trim and extend, pick this line here, and pick this line here with this one is going to intersect that way, and here we intersect it that way, and then we hit finish, and when we go